Jabarion, pencil for numbers, not drawing, for while you're in math class. Okay, Bellringer 100, Part A, use the laws of exponents to simplify each expression below. What type of math problem do we have? Multiplication. What is the base for the first term?
2.
What's the base for the second term?
2.
Are they the same?
Yes.
So we can use the law of exponents to simplify. So I'm gonna write down my 2. If my ink pen was turned on. Is it considered an ink pen anymore if it doesn't have ink in it?
Not really.
Okay. And then what am I gonna do to my exponents? Am I gonna add, subtract, or multiply? Add. Good job. And then we can figure out 2 to the 5th power, I think is what, 64, 32? 32. But we're just, guys, what I care about is can you use the laws of exponents to simplify? I know you can do 2 to the 5th power without a problem. Okay, problem B, what type of math problem do we have? A division. What's the base for the top number?
2.
What's the base for the bottom number?
2.
Are they the same bases?
Yes.
So we can use the laws of exponents. I'm gonna write down the base. And what am I gonna do to the exponents? Am I gonna add, subtract, or multiply? Subtract. Top exponent minus the bottom. Always. Just like in reading, top to the bottom. And then 2 minus 3 is -1. We can have a negative as an exponent? All right, what's that mean? It's a fraction. And then we'll work on, well, let's go ahead and write that as a fraction form for practice. So put 1 as your numerator, and then put 2 to the positive 1 power on the bottom as your denominator. Problem C, notice we only have 1 base, but 2 exponents, correct? What is this called? Power to a power. So we're going to write down our base and do what to the exponents? Multiply. So we're going to do 2 times 3. So that would be 2 to the 6th power. Problem D, 5 to the 0. 5 to the 0 power? What do you mean it's 1?
Because any number but
Any number to the 0 power is 1. And then problem E, we have a nasty looking fraction. Notice the exponent is positive. Is the exponent in the numerator or the denominator? So we can actually write this with a negative exponent and make that a -3. Go ahead, stop.